In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-step verification in your Google or Gmail account step by step so you can add an extra layer of protection in just a few minutes. This is one of the easiest and most important things you can do to keep your account secure because it helps stop anyone from getting in even if they know your password. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com/security. This will take you directly to the security section of your Google account settings, where you can manage sign-in and the recovery options. Once the page loads, sign in to the Google account that you want to protect. If you're already signed in, you may go straight to the security dashboard. Now look for the option that says two-step verification. This is the feature that adds an extra verification step when someone tries to log in. Click on two-step verification to open to setup page. On the next screen, you'll see the option to turn on two-step verification. Go ahead and click that button to begin the setup process. Google may ask you to confirm your identity again before continuing, so just follow any on-screen prompts if that appears. Next, Google may give you the option to add a phone number for two-step verification. This is useful if you want to receive codes by text or phone call. But if you prefer using the prompt or passkey method like I'm doing here, you can simply click skip and continue without adding a phone number. That way, you can still enable two-step verification while using a more convenient sign-in method for your setup. After you skip or complete the phone step, Google will finish enabling the feature for your account. Once the setup is done, you'll see that two-step verification is now on. That means your account is now protected with an extra layer of security whenever you sign in from a new device or when Google needs to confirm it's really you. From this point on, you'll be much better protected against unauthorized access, phishing attempts, and password-related security risks. If you want to review your security settings later, you can always come back to the same Google security page and manage your verification methods, recovery options, and trusted devices. So that's how to enable two-step verification in Google or Gmail account quickly and easily. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.